Let me teach you how to achieve this Ankara head wrap on yourself by yourself. My name is Deck Beauty. This Ankara is a 4 yard. In case you are watching me for the first time, you are welcome. I want you to concentrate. This Ankara, we are going to divide it into equal 50-50. So you divide it equal. So the length, make sure you divide it any length you have. You can use this style, you can use 3 yard, you can use 2 yard and a half, but today we are using 4 yard. So just divide any length you have. That is what I'm doing now. Just divide it equal 50-50. Then you place it on your head. So I'm getting ready to go to church. So this style, in case you like all my styles, gown, dress, my tailor, she's affordable and she's very good as well. So place it on your head. Just see the way we are doing it. If you need my tailor phone number, the phone number, I will demonstrate it there. So in case you want to patronize her, she based in Nigeria, Benin. So she's there to give you any style you want, and it's affordable. Just place it on your head. Please don't worry. I'm sorry for the noise at the background. That is the reason I always prefer to put music in almost all my video. But I said to myself, this is my voice. Many people go down and miss this voice. Let me put voice over, because every time I'm always in a noisy area. So what I am doing now, let me take off the paper because it's new. This is the first time I'm using this material. This is the first time I'm using this Ankara. So what you do after you divide it equal, place it on your head 50-50. Now we are going to twist it. You see the way I twist it? Make sure you twist it to the front side. Then we are going to knot it now. We knot. I want you to learn because it's very good you know how to achieve things on yourself. Yes, learn it. See, after you knot, you take the edge from the bottom. You see, there's no how I will explain this style without you concentrating. So you place it, you take from the bottom, the top, the bottom, just take it. You see where my hand is. Then you take it, pass under the one we twist. Okay, I want to be slow in this part. Okay, bring it out, then you spread it. Yes, I was in a rush because this Sunday morning I just arrived from Holland for a business trip, and my flight just arrived in Heathrow Airport, London. That was about 9 a.m. and we start our service by 12. I can't miss such church service, and I don't want to be late. So I already prepared what I will wear down before I travel. So getting home, I just take my bath fast. That is what I am doing now. My family, they're already in the church. So I said to myself, I will be in church before 12. And I still made it. I was at home after 10. I came home almost, to 11, 10:40. Because from my house, from Heathrow to my house is about an hour, 20 minutes drive. So that is it, my people. I will just concentrate and see the way we are achieving it. I said to myself, I will try my best. After church service, I will come home and relax. Yes, we are almost there. This style is very easy if you practice it. In case you are watching me for the first time, I base in United Kingdom, London. You can book me for your event. I'm just coming from the event where they booked me in Netherlands. I'm available to travel in Amsterdam, Holland. In fact, it is the same name. So, but the particular place I go was Amsterdam. So I was booked for 50th birthday. The family, they are so nice. You know, there are some trip I go, they are always, I don't know. But this particular trip, these people, they are very nice. I pray for more celebration in their home in the mighty name of Jesus. So the trip was successful. I thank God. Book me if you want to see most of my work. Go to my Instagram. My Instagram name is Deck Beauty. Patronize me. I'm available to travel anywhere. If you pay me, I will be there with you. We do many things. We do Gele, we do makeup, we do okuku, Edo bride, we do for the Igbo bride, we do photo shoot, we do in fact, now I expand my handwork. Now we now do teeth whitening. We do a lot of things. I do bridal hair for the white wedding, pre-wig, pre-style wig. So ready to wear pre-style wig, I do it as well. Go to my Instagram, you will see all my work at there. And my phone number is on my Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. You can contact me. Please, my number is there. Thank you. You see, we are almost ready. We are almost ready. My eyes were so red because the almost 2 days I did sleep proper. I say after church, I will come home and sleep. Yes, we are almost done. Yes, so that is it. I hope you have learned. You learn, This is my voice. Some people will say the way you are explaining it, the way you are speaking it, my people, that is the reason I just use music most time. But yes, so I am done. From my house to church, this is me singing in the church. You see, in case you live in London, you are invited. Woolwich, our church is in Woolwich. You are invited to come and join us, and God bless you as you come. We will be so happy to receive you. The Power of Calvary Ministry, London, United Kingdom, Woolwich. Yes, contact me for more information. This is after church service. Thank you. See you on my next video. Yes, so this my video. Yes, this is our service. I will update this our service, expand it. All this old style, I will do another video very soon because we have new updates of all this our hand job now, and work. Thank you. See my phone number there.